Get ready for a new generation of GNSS modules. Global IoT module manufacturer Quectel issued PCN documents for several GNSS modules based on the Airoha AG3331 and MT3339 platforms at the end of August 2022. You can find an overview of alternative products in the article. Reading for 1 minute. End of production of GNSS modules on AG3331 and MT3339 chipsets. Considering the supply shortage of chipset on AG3331 and MT3339 platforms, and with the development of new GNSS platform, Quectel will provide LC76G, LG77L, LC26G, and LC86G as alternative modules that are based on AG3352 and MT3333 chipset. The new GNSS modules are available from August 26, 2022. Current information about products that are subject to PCN, Product Change Notification, or EOL, end-of-life documents can be found on our website. In addition, if you have purchased such products from us in the past 2 years, we will notify you of the change by email. An overview of products with EOL along with alternative products can be found in the following table. Quectel LC76G and LC86G series GNSS modules can be ordered directly from our warehouse. Feel free to request samples and replace your previous GNSS modules in your applications as soon as possible. Technical specifications for the new modules are available in PDF format at the following links: LC76G and LC77L. Are you interested in more information on Quectel products or technical advice when choosing a product? Or do you have another question or request? Please fill out the following form. We will be happy to help you.